Hey, I'm Andrea, and today I will be painting this Nintendo Switch travel case. I will be doing a Super Mario theme, and as you can see, this material is not the traditional canvas material that we're used to painting. It's more of a mesh material. So the first step is to mix my Too Soft with my base coat. Personally, I like to use the cream color because I feel like it gives me a better foundation and better coverage at once. So as you can see, the paint gets really absorbed by the fabric, so you will need at least 5 coats. So Too Soft is a fabric medium that helps the paint adhere to the fabric better, and it gives you a better foundation for your detailed work. Once the Too Soft has been applied, I'm going to go ahead and heat set it. Now that I did my 3 layers with Too Soft and cream mixed together, I will go in with the flat white and not mix it with the Too Soft because the foundation has already adhered to the material. Since we're working on the Nintendo Switch travel case, I thought it'd be a great idea to include the original 3 Mario games. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using a paint marker to add all the outline. So I will be using Too Thin and Flat Black, and I'll be mixing a 1:1 ratio. When I use paint markers, I always use Too Thin in a 1:1 ratio to make sure that the paint flows correctly through the marker. Go ahead and push the tip down until you see the paint coming down towards the tip of the marker. Okay, now that the paint came out, I could go ahead and start the detail. So now that I finished painting, I'm gonna go ahead and add the high gloss finisher so it could give it a nice, clean, glossy finish. I had a great time working on this Nintendo Switch travel case. If you want to see more of my work, make sure you go and check out my Instagram page. And if you like this video, make sure you let us know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.